Welcome back to the channel, friends and family. Tonight, I want to talk about the 10 practical ways to save money and build your wealth, and also a staggering statistic about America's people and how much money or lack thereof they have in their bank accounts. So stick around for that. And finally, at the end, I'm going to let you know how you can partner with us here at the OnlineBusiness.App because we are looking for more people to partner with. That's right, become an affiliate, make that 25% commission on all of the stuff. More about that at the end. So stick around and let's get into it right now. Welcome to my video on the 10 practical ways to save money and build your wealth. In today's world, managing personal finances has become more important than ever. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a rainy day, or planning for retirement, having a solid financial plan can help you achieve your goals and build long-term wealth. While the prospect of saving money may seem daunting or overwhelming, there's so many practical and effective strategies you can implement to make it a reality. In this video, we're going to discuss the 10 practical ways to save money and build your wealth, offering tips and advice that can help you achieve financial freedom and security. There are so many ways to save money, and the top 10 ways may vary depending on your personal situation and goals. However, here are some of the general tips that can help you save money. Number one, create a budget. Making a monthly budget that lists your income and expenses and stick to it. Number two, you want to track your spending. You want to keep track of every penny you spend to identify areas where you can cut back. Number three, you want to reduce unnecessary expenses. Cut back on expenses such as eating out or subscription services and impulse purchases. Number four, you want to shop smarter. Look for deals and discounts and compare prices before making a purchase. Number five, use coupons and promo codes. Take advantage of coupons and promo codes to save money on groceries, household items, and other purchases. Six, use cashback and rewards programs. Sign up for cashback and rewards programs to earn points or cash back on your purchases. Number seven, save on energy costs. Use energy efficient light bulbs to turn off non-lights and electronics when not in use by adjusting your thermostat to save on heating costs and cooling costs as well. Eight, you want to avoid debt. Avoid unnecessary debt by paying off credit card balances in full each month and only borrowing what you can afford to pay back. Number nine, you want to plan ahead. You want to plan for big expenses such as vacations or major purchases by saving money in advance. And lastly, number 10, you want to invest in yourself. Invest in your education and career development to increase your earning potential to create a long-term financial stability. Now, I mention all of these things because of this staggering thing that I read that I'd like to share with you. It says the exact percentage of Americans who have less than $1,000 in their bank account can vary depending on the source and the criteria used for the survey. However, according to 2021 Bankrate survey, 45% of American adults reporting having less than $1,000 in their savings. This suggests that a significant number of Americans have little to no financial cushion in case of emergencies or unexpected expenses. It's important to note that having a low savings balance is not necessarily indicative of a financial irresponsibility, as many people face difficult financial situations that make saving money difficult. However, having a solid emergency fund is generally considered a key component of financial stability and preparedness. So, do you have less than $1,000 in the bank account? Or are you financially prepared and you're secure and you have, say, months worth of bills in the bank account? Since nearly half of the United States or half of Americans have less than $1,000 in their bank account, according to a survey back in 2021, which now in 2023, after all of that inflation, is most likely drastically increased the percentage of Americans who have less than $1,000 in their bank account. So if you don't have that kind of money in your bank account, then you need to do something about it. So The number 10 was to invest in yourself and get educated. That would be my number one recommendation, is to invest in yourself and get educated on something, whether it's something that you're familiar with or something that you are unfamiliar with. Look for something that is tried and true, something that is not affected by economic downturns. You want to partner yourself up with something or learn a particular skill set that is designed to be recession proof and not going to be affected by the AI revolution that we are currently becoming into, with artificial intelligence potentially replacing nearly 90 million jobs by 2030. So with all that being said, that's why I partnered with the OnlineBusiness.App and I became a global CEO for the OnlineBusiness.App, because what we're doing here is involved not just in here. We have products going over to 150 countries. We have digital products that do not expire on a shelf. We have NFTs and Web3 products. See, over here at the OnlineBusiness.App, we are merging Web 2 and Web 3, physical products and digital products, all combined while learning how to build hyper profitable businesses online that do not require any kind of storage facilities or any kind of physical merchandise having to sit on a shelf. So, if you're looking to partner up with us, we're looking for people just like you. We pay 25% lifetime commissions on any sales that you get that are referred through your digital affiliate link. It is free to sign up. So if you want to learn more, click the link in the description below and let's get started today. I hope you have found this information valuable. If you have less than $1,000 in your bank account, then it is time to start to invest in yourself. My name is Michael Wright. Thank you for spending your time with me tonight. Have a good night.